It's super heavy, so I think I'm gonna unbox it right here and then just take the pieces into my bedroom. But yeah, I'm gonna drink some of the smoothie and then I'm gonna build the bed frame, and then I have an appointment that I have to go to later, so we'll see. My bar stools are also supposed to come in today, so that would be really nice because then I could use, you know, my counter as a table and I won't have to eat every single meal on the couch anymore. So that's exciting. But I'm gonna drink this smoothie and then get to work on the bed frame. I hope it doesn't take too long, but we'll see. Okay, headboard. Okay, here's all the pieces. It's definitely the last thing I want to do right now, but we're gonna do it and get it done. Wish me luck. Yo, guys, this headboard is so soft. So soft. Can you even see my head? I don't think you can see my head. This headboard is so soft. Heaven. Also, these instructions are whack. Like, these are terrible instructions. So hopefully I can figure this out, but they're horrible. They're terrible. Okay, let's get into it. Bar stools are here and I'm gonna build them. Nice like soft leather. I don't know if you can really see it, but it's a nice like soft leather. It's like 9 at night and I was gonna do this in the morning, but I decided to just do it now because I have a busy day tomorrow. It's a busy day every day lately, but yeah, just might as well get something done instead of just sitting on the couch on my ass. I have one down, got one more to go. Okay, my nightstand came and I only bought one because it's expensive and I just felt like for now I only really need one. So I'll buy another one when the time comes. I was gonna show you guys, I built my second bar stool. I hung the plant hanger over here, so once the sticker thing sets, I'm gonna put the plant in probably tomorrow. I hung this guy in between there to kind of tie in these warm tones. I don't know why, but I've always never loved what I do with my bedroom. So this has cool and warm tone vibes, which I don't love. I think once the plant gets up and then once I get my nightstand, it'll look a little better. But yeah, this is the vibe so far. And then over here we have the moon. And then in the bathroom, I decided that I'm gonna stick with this rug actually, which is funny because this is the one I hated the most, but now this is the one I like the best. I like the pattern of this one better than the other one, I decided. So yeah. That's all the updates I think I have for now, but yeah, it's basically done in here. All I'm waiting for is my outdoor patio furniture. Oh, I put up a little privacy screen. I'll show you guys in a second so that when I'm sitting out there, people won't like look at me or like look up and just look directly at me. I don't know. I just want to like relax when I'm out there, you know? Hey guys, what's up? It's a new day. I just got back from the pool. I took a shower and everything, so I'm clean. But I just got a package from American Eagle, and I always do this where like I make a huge order knowing very well I'm going to return at least half of it. It's just nice and easy. You get free shipping. You can try on a bunch of different things and see what you actually like and what actually looks good on you. Yeah, I don't know. I've always done that. So I got this package today, and this is everything that I got. Oh yeah, I remember these. So I've been wanting these jeans. I've seen them on their website a couple times, but they're these green corduroy jeans. Yeah, they just look really cute, and I feel like you can make these like look cute. I'm tired of just wearing jeans or leggings. Like I want to switch it up a little bit. So I got these. So I'm excited to see what these look like. And then I got, what is this? Oh, and then I got a black pair of jeans. These actually look a little too big for me maybe, but they're just a black pair of jeans with a little rip in the knee. I've been needing a new pair of black jeans. I only have black leggings and then like a really tight pair of black jeans with like a bunch of rips in them. So I don't like to wear those other than if I'm like going out or something. So I needed a casual, you know, black jean. So hopefully those fit. But they don't really look like they will, but hopefully they do. And then I got this sweater. I know I just moved to Arizona, but everyone that I care about in my life lives in cold states where they actually experience like a normal fall and winter. So I wanted to get some sweaters. So I got this one, and it's just this little, I think it's a cropped sweater. It looks pretty cropped, right? Like a little cropped sweater in the color rust. Yeah, it's a little cute. It has a little collar and little buttons down the front and whatnot. So I figured that would be kind of cute, you know, maybe with those black jeans. I don't know. And then I got this other sweater type long sleeve shirt in the color gray. So it's just kind of similar but a little different, but more fitted shirt type style, you know, less sweatery, but it still is like a sweater material. I just think this style with like the little collar and the buttons is so cute, so I'm excited to try that on. Oh, and I think I got the same thing. Is this the same thing? I might have gotten the same thing in green. I'm not positive. This is actually less of a sweater material. So this is like a normal shirt material, but I got it in green, I guess. Oh, and then this, okay, I don't know what I was doing. I bought 3 things with collars on them, or 4 things with collars on them, apparently. I think this is the same as that green shirt I just showed you, but in like a charcoal black. Yeah, okay, so this is the same thing, but in a different color. So obviously I'd only keep one of those if I like how it fits and all of that. And then I got 2 little tank tops. Apparently I was really feeling the green and black vibes because I got one in green. They were having a sale, so I kind of just stock up. Like I only do this when places are having a sale, so I can know that I can get what I actually like for a sale price, you know? I would never just order a bunch of pieces at completely full price. That's insane to me because I think clothes are overpriced. Anyway, I got the same thing in a little gray color. If I like how those fit, I'd probably keep both of them because they're, you know, basics. You can never really have too many basics, especially living in Arizona. I definitely need all the tank tops I can get. And then lastly, I just got this black jean jacket. I've been wanting a nice fitting black jean jacket that I can just casually throw on or whatever. So I thought this was really cute. It looks good online, so we'll see how it looks on me. Okay. Now I'm going to get ready really fast and run to UPS because I have some things to drop off. And then I think I'm going to come back and we can do a little try on haul maybe, or I don't know, we'll figure it out. But I'm going to also have to make a smoothie or something because I'm starving. But yeah, I gotta go because it closes in like an hour. Okay guys, this is one of the tank tops. I really like it. I tried it on in the gray color and I didn't love it. This is what it looks like. Yeah, I tried it on in the gray color, but I didn't really enjoy the gray. I liked the green, and then I tried on all those freaking collared shirts, and I only liked one of them. Actually, I haven't tried on this one yet, but out of the 3 others, I only liked one. The other 2 looked silly, so yeah. I'm gonna go now, but then I'll be back and I'll finish my little try-on portion. got some packages to open. Let's see what's inside. I've got, these are, where's my scissors? Little like shelf risers for my vitamins and supplements, because right now I can't really get to them all because they're all just, you know, in the way of each other. Okay, so I got these. Came with 2 of them, so like that. One's like a little bit lower than the other, so you can fit them in your cupboard, you know, or you can use them separate. They're gonna go up here. I also hung up my little plant earlier today. She's so pretty. When she starts like growing down, oh my gosh, it's gonna be so beautiful. So it still didn't all fit, but this is what I got going on. So yeah, I have the stuff I take mostly every day in the front, and then this is a little Shilajit, if you've ever heard of that. This stuff does wonders. But yeah, stuff I take in the front. Honey I use in my tea. It's like a really good healthy honey for you. This is stuff I take more often, but not every day. This is just easy to grab. But yeah, I feel like that'll just make it easier to see it all and just grab what I need.